Okay, this is the P3 Carbon Sump guard, and it's to go on Brad's bike. This is what he had for coming second in the Summer Series Championship, I do believe. This was a prize given out by Chris Edwards. Chris Edwards of P3. Absolutely fantastic. We hadn't fitted it because we was getting on with the plastic sump guard, but Brad happened to lose it on Sunday. So I'm going to fit this now. Everything I do fit with Loctite. So we'll be fitting the hook, which obviously goes in that way. I'll be Loctiting it in, and then we'll fit the front on, and I'll show you before and after. Okay, so there's the rear hook fitted, and obviously that fits up over the frame, and then we're going to go and fit the front. Now, to give you a little bit more better look at the P3 Carbon sump guard, I'm very surprised. Well, when I say surprised, I'm quite taken back how thick and the quality it feels. It is a pretty solid lump. Probably weighs around a little bit heavier than the plastic one, but obviously is going to add a little bit more protection, well, a lot more protection. But you can see the quality in it itself, the finishes, the thickness of the actual sump guard. I'm quite surprised. So anyway, we'll go on now to fit the other part. Okay, the P3 Carbon guard is fitted, and there was a couple of little tiny bit of grinding and a bit of adjusting I had to make. But to be honest with you, it was worth it, because now it's on, it's a solid lump. Much better than the plastic standard one it comes with. And to be honest with you, we've had two steel ones, or not the steel ones, but the alley ones that are terrible really, where they've bent and the hooker fell out to the back. This one's looking pretty promising. So P3 Carbon sump guard, watch this space, we'll have a look. So we're prepping Brad's bike ready for a bit of practicing tomorrow, because he got the tough one this weekend. We've just fitted the front wheel quick release. The reason that is KTM colours, because I've actually got a set of KTM hubs which will be going on for the tough one. So, and a compliment of Rolling Round MX. Rolling Round MX, you'll find him on Facebook for all your local parts and needs. Right, the other thing I was going to say is, now this is a little problem we got. We've got a problem with Brad's bike with the battery. Fully charged last night, come out this morning, tried to start it, dead as a doornail. Happened at CTR final. Basically when Brad jumped on the bike and tried to start it, it was dead. So the problem started Saturday night. Now I've just checked all the wiring to see if there's any chaff bits or anything like that, and I can't find a thing, which is a little bit disappointing. Obviously there's a short somewhere, so I'm going to have to wait for the bike to catch on fire before I can find it. So let's hope it doesn't do it while he's on the tough one. Let's see if we can find the fault before. Inbox if you've got a theory of why it's draining the battery, because to be honest with you, I have no idea.